Hey friends, if you wish to install and launch iTunes on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So first of all, open the Microsoft Store. You'll find it here in the system tray. And if you don't, then simply search for Microsoft Store in the Windows search bar and open it. And once you open it, expand it. Now iTunes usually appears in the list here, but if not, you can always search for iTunes in the search bar and hit enter and wait for the list to load. Click on iTunes and then click on get, and it will be installed on your system directly. Obviously you need to be logged into your Microsoft account. If you want to go the other way, then open Microsoft Edge and don't open Google, because Google doesn't give the direct download link, and search for iTunes. Now next to iTunes you'll get an option called as download. So this is the link directly to the Apple website, and it will redirect you to the original page. Now once you are there, you can go to the download page. Wait, software, iTunes for Windows, and then you can download the latest version. Now the latest version is iTunes 11. Okay, it's 12, so we will download 12 and then click on download. But it's always better to download it from the Microsoft Store. However, here's the thing: when you download it from the Microsoft Store, it may not be the latest version. Even in that case, you can update it. I'll click on open and scroll down, read it if you want to. Click on agree. And then click on agree here. And you are into iTunes, and you can play your favorite songs and use it as a media player. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and we really need subscribers. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.